Today, Megan will show us the step-by-step to have a zero-waste grocery shopping. First thing is to make your grocery list to know exactly how many reusable containers you should be taking with you. Once you arrive at the store, go ahead and sanitize your hands, and also don't forget to get your little funnel to help you when filling out your containers. Before you start shopping, you need to quickly weigh your containers so that when you pay, they can discount your containers' weight from the price. Good thing is that when you weigh them once, you don't have to do it again, you can just keep the tag. And now we get to the fun part. Shopping without consuming any extra packaging. The other advantage of zero-waste shopping is that not only are you avoiding packaging waste, you can choose the quantity of food you want, helping you reduce your food waste as well. This is Magavrac, a zero-waste store in Montreal which offers more than 1,000 products including grains, spices, chocolate, milk, eggs, cleaning products, and much more. Although this all sounds amazing, we have to keep in mind that zero-waste shopping is not yet accessible to everyone. So if you don't have a store like this near you, it is not your fault. Living a sustainable lifestyle is still a privilege. What you can maybe do is mobilize your community and demand more sustainable practices from the grocery stores that do exist where you live. That being said, if you do happen to find a zero-waste store near you, you're set to go. Another quick tip by Megan is to locate local bakeries near you and ask them if it is okay for you to bring your own bag. This way you are avoiding more plastic packaging from your bread. As you can see, most of the products in a zero-waste store are part of a refuel system, which allows us to reduce our waste significantly. If you live in Montreal, we have put together a map with zero waste and bulk stores in the city. Now that you have seen how simple zero-waste shopping can be, given that you have access to it, we have two questions for you. Do you have a zero-waste store near you? And are you up for zero-waste shopping? Let us know and we will see you next time.